CompTIA A Core 2, Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.9, Compare and contrast common data destruction and disposal methods. When it comes to getting rid of old hard drives or storage devices, simply dragging files to the recycle bin and calling it a day is definitely not enough. Even deleting files or performing a quick format can leave recoverable data behind. Whether you are disposing of a single personal drive or managing an entire room full of retired company hardware, properly destroying or sanitizing data is critical. Otherwise, sensitive information could end up in the hands of someone who should never have access to it. And trust me, you do not want your old tax returns, passwords, or company records becoming part of someone else's treasure hunt. One of the most reliable ways to ensure data can never be recovered is through physical destruction. Physical destruction focuses on damaging the storage media so thoroughly that recovering the data becomes impossible. Let's begin with drilling. Drilling involves physically drilling holes through the hard drive platters or storage components. It is certainly a satisfying method and definitely sends a clear message to the drive, but it is not always the most secure option. If critical sections of the drive remain intact, highly specialized recovery techniques may still recover portions of the data from undamaged areas. A more secure method for traditional hard disk drives is degaussing. Degaussing uses a powerful magnetic field to disrupt or erase the magnetic charges stored on the drive's platters. Since traditional hard drives store data magnetically, this process effectively scrambles the data into unreadable nonsense. However, degaussing is designed specifically for magnetic media and is not effective against many types of solid-state storage. If you want to take things a step further, shredding is an excellent option. In this process, storage devices are fed into an industrial shredder that breaks them into tiny fragments. Once shredded, the pieces are so small and damaged that reassembling the drive for data recovery becomes practically impossible. This method is commonly used by organizations handling large quantities of retired drives because it is both fast and highly effective. And finally, there is incineration. Incineration involves exposing the drive to extremely high temperatures until the storage media is melted or destroyed completely. At that point, data recovery is no longer a concern because there is essentially nothing left to recover. While this method provides an extremely high level of security, it is generally reserved for situations involving highly sensitive or classified data. Of course, not every drive needs to meet a fiery end worthy of an action movie. Sometimes the goal is to recycle or repurpose the drive safely rather than destroy it completely. In these situations, proper data sanitization becomes the focus. One of the simplest methods is standard formatting, commonly known as a quick format. During a standard format, the operating system removes the file references that point to the stored data, making the files appear deleted. However, the underlying data often still remains on the drive until it is overwritten later. This means specialized recovery software may still be able to recover the information. Standard formatting is fast and convenient, but it is not considered secure for sensitive data disposal. A more secure option is erasing or wiping the drive. In this process, the existing data is overwritten with new patterns of data, often zeros, ones, or random information. By repeatedly overwriting the original information, recovering the old data becomes much more difficult. Wiping takes longer than a quick format, but it provides a significantly higher level of security for drives that will be reused or recycled. For situations requiring even stronger sanitization, low-level formatting may be used. Low-level formatting rewrites every sector on the drive, returning it closer to a factory-like state while thoroughly removing stored data. This process is far more intensive than a standard format and is designed to make data recovery extremely difficult, even with advanced recovery tools. When dealing with highly sensitive information, low-level formatting provides a much stronger level of sanitization before repurposing the drive. In many environments, organizations choose to outsource drive destruction or recycling to third-party vendors. This can save time and ensure proper disposal procedures are followed, especially when large numbers of drives are involved. However, organizations must be careful when selecting a vendor because sensitive data is still involved until destruction is complete. This is why certifications of destruction or recycling are so important. A certification of destruction provides documented proof that the storage devices were properly destroyed or sanitized according to established standards. Similarly, certifications of recycling verify that electronic waste was disposed of responsibly. These records are especially important for organizations handling regulated or sensitive data because they help demonstrate compliance during audits or investigations. Speaking of compliance, organizations must also consider regulatory and environmental requirements when disposing of electronic devices. Certain industries are required by law to follow strict rules regarding the handling and destruction of sensitive information, especially when dealing with personal data, healthcare information, or financial records. At the same time, electronic devices often contain hazardous materials that should not simply be thrown into landfills. Proper recycling helps reduce environmental impact while ensuring harmful materials are handled safely and responsibly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.